welcome to delicious high-protein pancakes that are perfect for a cheat meal day. We're going to put raspberries through to give it a delicious ripple.
So they're a bit like peanut butter and jelly pancakes. They're raspberry and peanut butter. Easy to make, high protein, based on
gram flour, which is basically chickpea flour, which is naturally really high in protein.
Okay, so into our bowl, first thing to do is to sieve our gram flour,
Sift our gram flour.
So 120 grams of that.
And gram flour naturally has a nice yellow consistency to it, so it does give that beautiful color to it. And it's one of the most high protein flours, which is
like it's
super
20% protein, approximately 20% protein content, so pretty good.
Yeah. We're gonna add a bit of oat milk in on top of that.
Little bit of vanilla extract.
About half a teaspoon. Couple of tablespoons of maple syrup just to give it a tiny little bit of sweetness. Maybe we'll go with one and a half.
And then I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is really important. So I've kind of gone with a heaped teaspoon of baking powder because this will actually aerate it and give us a proper rise and lift off.
And finally, we're going with 2 tablespoons of a creamy peanut butter. It works better if it is a kind of runny type peanut butter rather than a thick, clumpy
bit down the bottom of it.
Yeah, like if you've got the bottom of the jar, I'd probably blend this in a blender because it'll be a lot easier. In this case, we're just going to whisk it together with a bowl just to keep it really, really easy.
One of the keys to making really good pancakes, have a non-stick pan. Have it nice and warm. When it's hot, like at the highest temperature, reduce it down to medium temperature. So this is quite thick. So
too thick? Do you want a bit of
yeah, but if it is too thick, just add a little bit more oat milk just to get that nice runny texture. We want these to be a lighter, more crepe-like pancake. Yeah, good. You leave it out there. Yeah, that's perfect, yeah. Okay, nice.
And a pinch of salt?
Yeah, little pinch of salt.
Yeah, salt is great. You might think it makes it savory, but it just tends to accentuate the sweet because in your palate, when you've got the salt, it just accentuates the sweet. I'm going to go with a couple of sprays of oil. Just the oil's going to encourage caramelization and make sure there's no sticking. This is just a 2-calorie spray bottle.
And in goes our...
Move it around the pan because we do want to make this nice and thin crepe.
And I'm adding in some raspberry chunks. So these are frozen raspberries that we've kind of thawed in their chunks. So as these defrost, they're going to give like a raspberry ripple through these pancakes.
So I always use a silicone spatula here, very important for just being able to flip your pancake. And note my pan is a very good quality pan, that nothing is sticking to the bottom. And very important here is your flip. You ready?
Ooh!
My heat's set low to medium at this stage now. And you can see the raspberries are just starting to crisp right the way through it.
Where's that peanut butter dough? Oh,
yeah.
That looks nice. Oh, I love the ripple through it.
There's our first one right there.
So it's a lovely raspberry ripple pancake that's high in protein and a lovely sauce just to drizzle it over for a lovely peanut butter sauce. I'm going to go with just that soft peanut butter, that kind of smooth, creamy peanut butter. I'm going to go with 2 teaspoons of that. I'm going to put some maple syrup through it. So about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Just this is going to make it a wonderful, indulgent, delightful sauce to go over the top.
And that's just equal part peanut butter, equal part maple syrup.
Yeah, and a little bit more if you want it to be a little bit more runny because you want that nice degree of viscosity. What a lovely word. Okay, here we are, our high protein peanut butter raspberry ripple pancakes, I prefer to call them.
Amazing, really is. Looks fantastic.
And they really hold their body well, like you can shape or roll it up like an old crepe.
That's super tasty. That sauce is amazing. Very, very tasty, very filling.
What a perfect Pancake Tuesday pancake.
I had these for lunch as well, secretly. These are really, really good. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching. That's our high protein pancake. If you enjoyed this recipe, we've got a recipe club where we've got over 600 recipes there, delicious plant-based recipes. It's only $2.99 a month and you get access, month by month, and it's incredible results.
And there's a community to support you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Wishing you a happy pancake eating and
best of luck on your whole food plant-based adventure. Cheers, bye.